Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Yunje from Korea and today I'm gonna talk about how to say some Korean basic phrases more naturally. Before starting the video, English is not my first language, so you might not understand sometimes what I'm saying, but if you don't understand, please leave the comments and I'll try to explain in other ways so you can understand it. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna talk about greeting first because other videos start from that, so I'm gonna do that too. Okay, hello in Korean is 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. And if you wanna say this more friendly, then you can say this way. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. You can change your voice a little bit, okay? And informal way, you can say just 안녕, 안녕, 안녕. And 안녕 is used for goodbye too, so it's really used for phrase. And I've seen many friends say how are you in Korean after they say hi, so they say 잘 지내세요. But Koreans really don't say that. We just say 안녕하세요 and that's it. But you can say 잘 지내셨어요, which means how have you been? Like in English, how have been is used for when you haven't seen someone for a long time and then you wanna ask how have you been? And it's the same. It may sound a little awkward if you ask this question to someone you meet for the first time that day, but still it's a really great expression to say how have you been? And in formal speech, you can say 잘 지냈어? 잘 지냈어? 잘 지냈어? 잘 지냈어? And next, thank you in Korean is 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 고맙습니다. 감사합니다. And for informal speech, you can say 고마워. 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 Did you guys notice something? In formal speech, I only say 고마워, not 감사해. 감사해 sounds a little weird. We just don't say that. We just say 고마워. Next, I'd like to talk about you're welcome in Korean. Well, many people think you're welcome is 천만에요. But actually, I haven't heard of that phrase in Korea even once. So, I just recommend you guys say 별거 아니야. 아무것도 아니야. It means it's nothing. It's just a little thing. It's my pleasure. So again, you can say 별거 아니야. 별거 아니야. Or 아무것도 아니야. 아무것도 아니야. 아무것도 아니야. 아무것도 아니야. Good. And next, I'm sorry in Korean is 죄송합니다 or 미안합니다. Generally, 죄송합니다 sounds more polite and more formal, but you can also say 미안합니다 in informal situation. Again, 죄송합니다. 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 And 미안합니다. 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 Good. And you can say this in informal way, like this way. 미안해. 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 And do you remember I said we don't say 감사해 for thank you? Because 감사 and 미안 sounds formal, but 해 without yo sounds informal. So if you say if you mix them together and it sounds a little awkward, so we just don't say that and we just say 미안해 or 고마워. Okay, this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Well, how do you like Korean? Is it good or is it too difficult? Well, I'm not gonna focus on grammar or high level of vocabulary words or things like that because to me, I don't think that's really important to communicate with others or interact with native Korean speakers. So in next videos, I'm gonna talk about some useful phrases. So if you're interested in that, please watch other videos too. And I really like communicating with others and help others with their Korean. So if you have any questions about Korean or Korean cultures, feel free to leave comments and I'll try to reply all of them. Okay, bye bye.